Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Lemfo LF26. In the Lemfo we have 1.3-inch display, 24-hour continuous heart rate detection, blood pressure, oxygen pressure and all these kind of stuff. So let's begin here immediately with unboxing. As you can see, the package is like usual, the Lemfo logos, LF26 in the back, and immediately it reveals the Lemfo itself. This time we have all metal bands, we don't have like usual rubber bands. As you can see, the material looks really good, it feels solid and it's a little bit lighter than I expected. In the box we will find the user manual like usual in different languages, the charger, very simple and easy to use, and we have one more thing that it helps us to make the bands smaller or bigger, however it fits our wrist. So let's peel this off and start the LF26. As you can see, we have the Lemfo logo, and immediately it reveals the first page. As you can see at the top we have brightness here, let's power that on, and after that we have here shutdown, Bluetooth disconnect or find device, and we have here the system information. Also we have Bluetooth and other things. Here we have sport data. As you can see, a couple of information about the sports for the day, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, we have messages, sleep, we have here sports, running, hiking, cycling, swimming and basketball. Other than that we have QR code for the app, timer, music control, find phone, and the settings. In the settings we have here display, dial switch, which we can change here the face of the LF26. We have only 4 of them here in the watch, and we will see more in how to connect video when we download a couple of faces. In the settings we had the display here brightness that we saw before. We have the screen time that we can raise up to 9 seconds, so it will stay up longer, and it tells us about the battery draining faster in that way. And we have the turn up wrist wake, so let's put it at the 5 seconds. We have the language, which we can change right here through the settings, and we have the vibration intensity. If you put at 3 it's very loud, and for me I will let it at 1. And we have the system where you can shut down, restart the display or do other things. We have here heart rate, sleep, and a couple information about the day, and down below we have messages. So this is what we have in the LF26. So let's begin immediately with some tests. As you can see, the heart rate is measuring. You can see how good it looks with this look and with bands from metal and not like usual that are in leather or rubber. So in this way it looks very classy and it looks very stylish as well. I like the Lemfo LF26, it looks pretty good. You can see the results are coming in the heart rate option. So let's wait until the end. We will hear a little vibration and feel it, so that indicates that the result has ended. You can see this is the final result. I just felt a little bit of vibration in my wrist, and that, as I said before, indicates that the results are done. Other than heart rate, we saw before we have blood oxygen right here, and let's see how fast this will measure. And also you have to be careful when you take some pieces from the bands to make it tight in your wrist. So you have to make it good enough to sit in your wrist. You can see we have a couple of results for the blood oxygen. And that is the final result. Let's get back to the menu. After blood oxygen we will find blood pressure, So let's wait for the result in the blood pressure as well, see what this will gives us. And you can see the results in the LF26 are coming real fast. I'm surprised, it works pretty good. And you can see we have a result right here. This is the first result. Let's wait for the vibration. And this is the final result now. After the health caring, we saw the sports as well. Here we can try walking, which is the first option, and you can see we have the seconds at the top. We have burn calories, kilometers, blood pressure, and the steps. We have 5 options to check our data for the sports, and we don't have anything else to see here. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.